SCI Textiles is part of the SCI Environmental Group. It's a specialist in textile restoration, servicing consumers via insurers and damage management contractors. The company's services are particularly useful when households suffer the effects of fire and flood damage. Once we receive an instruction, the admin team will make contact with the policyholder or contractor to go on site. The SCI fully uniformed and DBS checked technicians go on site to collect the affected textile items, photographed, completing the relevant paperwork, which is then signed by the policyholder or contractor. The affected textile items are counted and collected in SCI pre-printed bags, which are then sealed prior to removal. Once we've collected the items, our utmost priority is to stabilise the wet jobs to avoid any further deterioration. All wet items are hung to dry in our drying room. All odour jobs, we have numerous ozone chambers that will kill bacteria, mould and severe odours. The purpose of the validation process is to provide our clients a full in-depth picture of the claim, which can vary from a pair of curtains to a large family's textiles belongings. Every single item is allocated with a barcode which stays with the item throughout the process and has its own unique barcode number for easy traceability. All items are logged, barcoded and listed onto our bespoke validation software, photographed highlighting any pre-damage or stains in detail, and then added to the claim file. A full assessment of each item is carried out in order to produce a full inventory which produces the validation report. The key factors the validation report captures and includes are item, brand, condition grade, pre-incident damage, restoration cost, replacement cost per item, action to clean, replace, a number of items that are able to be restored, and number of items that have been deemed beyond economical restoration. Reports are quality checked and forwarded to the client in the format of their choice, PDF, Excel and Word. The client then has the option to discuss the validation report with the policyholder to determine the next action. The main benefit for the policyholder is to have the option and freedom for the policyholder to view their items at their convenience and leisure via our triage viewer, which is linked by a portal to our main system. They can filter through the items and view the pictures and notes to decide if they wish to restore or decline. Having all the information about the client's textiles, we have at a touch of a button via our validation viewer. It allows the client at their convenience to see the pre-incident, incident-related, condition grading, brand information we have collated on their behalf, giving the client a complete picture of the claim to help make a decision within a timely manner. Once we receive approval, the items go into production. This is where they are sorted by care label and into the preferred method of cleaning. We have various methods from dry cleaning, wet care, hand cleaning, ozone only and finishing. The best method will be used to get the items back to pre-incident condition. Once the clothes are clean, they are finished and packed, ready to be dispatched back out to the policyholder or contractor. A full detailed packing list is returned back with the items. We keep hold of the clothes for as long as the policyholder or contractor is not in a position or in a suitable accommodation to accept their items back. In September 2018, we won the LCN Award for Innovation. This was for our latest technology we invested within our validation factory, which offers a more in-depth, auditable and visible report to our clients. Giving the level of information we collate helps the client with all the information to hand and helps speed and reduce the claim life cycle of the job. The recipe for SCI Textiles success is a number of strengths we have within the business. Validation, which plays a large part throughout the claim from start to finish, which allows us to collate the utmost in-depth information about the client's textiles and made available to policyholder contractor via our validation viewer. We here at SCI thrive on customer services, offering a seamless process to our clients. SCI are always looking at new opportunities and innovations to keep up with the damage management industry. For further information, why not get in contact today?